Hello dear friends and viewers, welcome again to my channel RM the Merchandising. Really sorry that's after a long gap again I'm going to continue my channel. But I'm sorry because last few weeks I was very busy with some other purpose. That's why I didn't allocate time here. But yes, again I'm going to start, and those who would like to have some knowledge, have to gather some knowledge about RMG industry, please be with me. Of course, this channel would be really very important, informative. Today I'm going to discuss about how a efficient merchandising team can handle a million of apparel business with very efficiently, very smoothly, with the help of other collaborative team and with proper planning and with proper implementation. So let's start today's session, planning and implementation on Apparel business. But before, friends who are new here, please do subscribe.
So dear friends, let's start. Today I'm going to describe through some PPT and some Excel chart. I would like to make you clear how efficient merchant team I can handle a $1 million business. See my first PPT chart. If you see here, see million of dollars apparel business planning and implementation. Say there in from buyer there are some pattern of seasonal pattern. I mean 3 month season, then a 6 month season. So let's 6 month season for next 6 months. The one merchandising team have received some plan from the buying team, and the plan is approx 5 million pieces. I mean 50 lakh pieces order. And if I consider this neat order, FRS FOB2, it means $10 million. So this $10 million within 6 months, how a merchandising team can handle very smoothly. That's I'm going to describe how a merchandising team can secure the yarn very smoothly, can secure the fabric, then through making a proper TNA and through with the collaborative team's help, how they can handle. So here see it's the total data is here. Say there is 6 months what the plan have received from the buying team. Total plan have to make a database. From this database later through Excel chart I will describe details, but at a glance I am showing here it's a database. Here everything is there: style name, fabrication, and then what type of fabric, how many quantities order, what the consumption, how many fabric is yarn is required and fabric is required. Everything is here in this database. Then see here, if you see the left side there are some style name for this style, and if you see the right side yellow, all the yellow cell, see in the top row it is 6 December, 13 December. It means the week per week, and here in the yellow chart all the figure is given as yarn quantity. Style wise yarn quantity is given here, and per week wise 6 December for what style, what the yarn is required. Then go here, if you would like to know the count wise or composition wise what the yarn is required. See here lots of count is here, 20 count is recycle, viscose, then regular yarn. What type of yarn see here, if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 type of yarn is required here. And here for next 6 months the yarn requirement is 800 ton, and fabric requirement is approx 880, I mean almost 900 ton fabric is required with this yarn. So here if you see here for September what the yarn is required, what the fabric is required, style wise at a glance you will get. Then go is November. It means in month wise very smoothly, style wise, date wise, composition wise, everything is you can decorate. And following this one you have to secure the yarn and fabric in advance. So at a glance here but total fabric and total style and time wise, week wise requirement is given here. So how, and it's the TNA. Through the proper TNA we have to do everything. So and it is the collaborative team. Here okay, later I'm coming here. Before that I would like to before here I would like to show the same through Excel chart. See here, if I go here, it is the Excel chart. Here I put all the data, all the style is left. If you go left side is all that style, and the second row there is all the fabrication, what type of fabrication is here. Then third row the column is yarn count, how many type yarn for this style, composition wise, fabrication, there is yarn count. Then alter means what according to the buyers there are some altercation, might be solid, might be AOP, might be CBC, whatever is there it put here. Then OPD, it means order placement date. It means when you are going to receive the order, OPD, order placement date, I mean from buyer order placement date. So order placement week wise and date wise given here. Then time of delivery, I mean CRD, cargo receipt date, or you can say garment delivery date is here. And here is actual garments quantity, then consumption, and here record quantity. And here the yarn requirement quantity is here. So at a glance we can go here, everything you can go give here. See garments, actual garments quantity I will give here. See here 50 lakh pieces, I mean $5 million. And if I go yarn quantity at a glance, I can go here approx 800 ton yarn is requirement. So through pivot chart everything I can handle. See that same chart on PBT I showed, and here you can work as you like. See here week wise, if I say left, see count, then style, count, style. So one is common count and composition, how many style is there. So style wise and count wise per week wise we will get here, and here is month wise, week wise, everything will get here. And here total quantity also, see the same 800, approx 800 ton, all the composition wise. So if you would like to make it simple, just see here I got pivot chart, style name, omit the style name. Okay, it is simple. See now it's only count wise. Now you would like to know only style wise with the count, the same here you have to here style, add here style and omit the count. Yes, the style wise you have very smoothly have got the data. So this way we can handle. And if you go, that's very interesting thing. If I, so yeah, I'm giving both style and count, so every data is here. And if I go in dashboard, it is the main important thing is here. See all the style numbers here, all the week is here, all the composition and count is here, and total if you see here approx 800 ton yarn is required, week wise yarn is required 800 ton, and how many fabric is, how many style is here, total quantity for this 50 lakh pieces for this style. And here also see this 50 lakh pieces week wise, I mean when the order will come according week wise you can secure this yarn. So at a very smoothly you can handle this one. And for the east, see for the east figure, see here is east figure means one PO one style, or per week if you get more order you can accommodate or accumulate more or all orders together. And for to handle this one smoothly you have to maintain this TNA. See there is TNA. TNM here, see here is I'm considering only one order, 1 lakh pieces. This OPT is 27 September, and then time of delivery or CRD is 1st November. It means days, if I see here, pure receipt date 1, after 35 days, first delivery 50,000 pieces, and then after 42 days there is balance 50, I mean rest 50,000 shipment. So accordingly you have to make the plan. So when the initial inspection will happen, final inspection will happen, that's see here 1st November inspection means sorry, I mean shipment means 1 day back, 31st of October inspection will be happen. You'll have to offer the final inspection on 31st October. Accordingly you have to set the plan. Here is only 5 weeks time you can say. So you have to make the MISD chart. MISD means fabric or all accessories in-house date. See here we have here 18 days, I mean from OPD, that is OPD 27 September, from OPD to OPD to MISD, I mean within 18 days you have to make in-house everything. And accordingly PCD, set the PCD, then PSD is just 19 October. It means 19 October, if you calculate back from the final inspection you have got only 12 days. So within 12 days you have to do the production. So accordingly here also I have made a chart, TNA planning I have done. And as a merchandising you have to do be very confident, because if you depend on planning team sometime might be problem. So you have do yourself all the calculation to be more confident. So here take the assembly of that garments, then take the efficiency from I team. See here for this garment, for this product, assembly is 12, work there's workstation, I mean 34 machine and 6 helper. So total workstation is 40 and efficiency 70. That's information you have to take from the planner, and from the efficiency from the I you have to take the efficiency and assembly. So if you put here everything, see automatically per day line per line productivity will get 1400 piece, per hour it is 140 pieces, and per day means 10 hours considering there is 1400 pieces. So if per day per line 1400 pieces, how many line you record? See automatically 2.98, it means 3 line you need, and within this 3 line If you use this three line, you will get productivity 4200 pieces approx. It means within 12 days you can you can do the production 50,000 pieces. Accordingly, you can have a total idea. Based on that, you can see to planning team, you can discuss more. For next week 50,000, you need more time, you have to allocate here more increase line. So this way we can handle very smoothly through this product. And I think, dear friends, it's not I mean very difficult work, difficult tasks to handle all the order here. See here, if I go to my first, see, this is here $10 million business I have discussed for the 6 months. So if you make double, I mean 1 year with the same team, you can handle $20 million very smooth, I think even more. Yeah, the difference. So one thing I added, I would like to hear at that is, see, if you go here, so all the process, one here merchandising team is the main team, who will collaborate with all the I mean supporting team. I mean there is a yarn team is there, uh, sorry, there is yarn team is there, then fabric team, garments production team, then logistic team and account team. See, merchandising team will have to contact with each team individually, and we'll have to get the feedback from each team, from yarn team, from fabric team, from garments production team, logistic team, then account teams, for the fund realization. It means total, it is teamwork. And only it's possible to go far by a teamwork. So here main task is by the business team, I mean my merchandising team, but they have to collaborate with all the support team. So that's all for today's session. The thanks, dear my friends. Again, my request, if you don't subscribe yet, please do subscribe and be with me. Of course, it would be helpful. And there is I've discussed about APC efficiency, then SMB, then work station. Yes, I will discuss one by one on my later again in details about SMB, about efficiency, how to calculate SMB, how to calculate efficiency, and how to calculate capacity also I will discuss. So please be with me and subscribe. Thanks. So that's all for today's session. Oh, I think, and I think, sorry, yeah, I will give all the PDF, I mean this PPT chart, PDF copy in my description box. In the link, go the description link, I will give here, and you can also will get this one to my Facebook page and in my page. So be with me, and again do subscribe if you don't, please. Thanks for today's session.